Hello viewer. Welcome to EverythingReviewPro. In this video, we try to more information about top 5 tankless water heater. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So easily find your best product. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Rheem 240 VRTEX13. External adjustable digital thermostatic control. Durable copper immersion 2 heating elements. LED display, +/1 degree accuracy. Field serviceable. Self-modulating power control. Digital temperature display. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. ThermoPro Series. Digital temperature control allows you to set your temperature. Thermostatic control range from 90 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Stainless steel interior is durable. Corrosion resistant. Save up to 50% on electric bills. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. EcoSmart Eco 27. Savings of up to 50% on water heating costs. Digital temperature control in 1 degree increments. Copper and stainless components designed for efficiency. Recommended electrical panel, 200 amps. Prior to purchase and installation. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Takagi TTKJR20SLP. Includes internal freeze protection. Electronic can support hydronic baseboard. 6.6 GPM max flow rate. Deliver between 200 gallons and 500 gallons of hot water. Electrical supply, AC 120V, 60 Hz. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Stiebel Eltron 224,199. Save at least 15 to 20% on the hot water portion of your electric bill. Digital temperature control. Voltage, 240 volt or 208 volt. Sleek design fits anywhere. No venting required. Proven reliability. Please check out the description for details and update price. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more latest video.